Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, August 27th. So we're looking at Nvidia today, day after its earnings. You can see as of right now, about 1:30, we are up over 9%. Now that has been stretched a little bit far. Now when we were watching it today, we were watching for the break of this initial high, 255. We did do it, then we pulled back, and then we slingshotted higher. Here after lunch, market is pushed higher all the way to 230. Now, if we're looking at a bigger time frame, okay, because the hourly charts is still bullish. There's just a lot of back and forth price action you have to be aware of when you're getting into the position. But the way I see it, we have already broken the high from the 17th. The next target would be roughly the 232 area, and that is from the high on when is that, June 2nd. And then if we can break above that, then the next upside target is the high right here, roughly 237. That's the high from mid-May. Okay, so I think those are some reasonable targets. What we'll be looking for is a higher high tomorrow, and then an attempt at those highs. Again, 232, 237 to the upside. Good news with Nvidia expanding its business. Sales and revenue remain strong. We just want to trade with the market that is moving higher. That's why we want to be a little cautious. Again, we're up over 9%, but I think in this breakout run, we could continue. And I think a reasonable target at the end of this move is to retest that previous pivot high from May at 237. Okay, good luck.